is somewhere above the city lights, you're falling in love. Still aware, you know it is true that you were lost and this is a clue. Love is forever, love is forever. To believe you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo. Love is forever, love is forever.
Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. A couple of months back I made a video wherein I talked about the MacBook Air and is it worth it to buy one in 2018. Long story short, the answer is no because of the bad display. Like the display on the MacBook Air is very bad. That's why let's try to solve that problem today in this video and let's have a detailed look at the perfect MacBook Air setup in 2018. Without a doubt, the centerpiece of this setup has to be that beautiful 1080p display from HP. The exact model number is the HP 22W 1080p display. I had my eyes on this display for quite some time and finally I went ahead and bought it. The 21.5 inch screen size is perfect for my desk and the slim bezels on the side make this display look really good. Also, the display is matte and anti-reflective, that means it is easy to use even if any sort of light is directly opposite to the monitor, which is a very big thumbs up from my side. The overall quality, viewing angles and color accuracy of the display are also pretty good, which make it the perfect combination with my MacBook Air. The power and performance of the MacBook Air combined with this beautiful display solves the main problem that I had with this laptop. I am using a closed MacBook setup over here, but you can go either way. You can use the display of the MacBook as well as this display, or you can use a closed MacBook setup like mine. Now, if you want to use the closed MacBook setup, then you need to make sure of a couple of things. Number one is that the laptop should be powered continuously, that means you have to plug in the charger continuously. And number two, you need an external keyboard and mouse. It may be wired or wireless. Talking about the keyboard and mouse, I went with the Logitech MK345 wireless keyboard and mouse combo. I really like the aesthetics of this keyboard. It is comfortable, the keys have a very good travel to them, and so far I haven't had any issues with it. Also, the mouse is really good with accurate tracking. The only thing that is missing in this mouse are extra buttons which can be customizable, which are really handy if you are a video editor or for gaming. Now, if you want to know about the other things on my desk like the speakers, lights, etc., then I'll drop a link to my desk setup video in the description box below. That video contains all the information about all the things on my desk. Now, how much will this setup cost you? Assuming that you already have a desk, let's talk about the MacBook Air, the display and wireless keyboard and mouse. The total comes out to be around 70,000 rupees, and you can also go for a cheaper wireless keyboard and mouse, or you can go for a cheaper display. It completely depends upon you. But if you want to use this exact setup, then it will cost you somewhere around 70,000 rupees. Now at 70,000 rupees, this is still a pretty sweet deal because you get the power and performance of the MacBook Air and macOS combined with the stunning 1080p display. You will also need a mini display to HDMI cable to connect your MacBook to the display. I will make sure to drop links to all the products mentioned in this video in the description box below. Do check them out. So overall, to sum it all up, I would say that if you want to buy the MacBook Air, you can go ahead and do so, but please do combine it with an external display because then you will have a great time with this laptop. So anyway, that's it. I'm done. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you have any questions, you can ask them either in the comment section down below or you can reach out to me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, wherever you want. All the links, as always, are available in the description box below. My name is Harsh Punjabi. I'll see you guys in the next one.